Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
True that the chief priest had been admitted at the hospital?
I wanted to tell Mzbel that she's beating more than she can chew. I want to borrow the Nigerian old adage. And I want to borrow the adage that the senior man in the Naayewe said yesterday. He said, as a cockroach, you have the right to walk anywhere and play anywhere, but not in front of the cock. You see, we can do all our stuff with media and then videos of the hype.
Nikwe,
yes, sir.
Please, I asked a question whether
the Naayewe was sick.
Okay, so it's true he was sick.
Listen, yes, he was sick. But yesterday, I met him one-on-one. And he is okay. We spoke yesterday. We spoke about 30 minutes. And he's okay. I think he's okay. He's out of the hospital. He's okay.
Okay, so Mzbel claims she paid 2,000 Ghana cedis. Now, with all she said, can you confirm that is true?
Now, she was not charged a fixed amount of 2,000. Now, this is how it goes. When you come to, you bring a case to the house, by the nature of the case or the length of the case, or let's say the nature of the case, depends what you'll be charged. Now, you came to the house and then you said you want to curse Afia Schwar. You came to Naayewe. You came there. People saw you entering the house. You said you want them to curse Afia Schwar for you. And then they told you that
curse her for what? To do what?
She said Afia Schwar, has said things about her that is not true on air. So you want the Naayewe to curse Afia Schwar. Now, the house of the Naayewe is not used for cursing. They don't curse there. So the man told you that, listen, here we don't do curse. We rather reverse curses before we settle every other issue. So what I can do for you is serve you a letter and then serve Ishwa a letter, because here you can't say any lie, and whatever charge they put on you, you'd have to pay. It's not like the police station. The gods deal with you if they send sanctions on you and then you don't do it. So as for that, please, pray in kind. Do you understand? So when you came, the man told you that here we don't curse. We rather resolve issues. So let's do the right thing. By the mileage of the program, you have to put about 2,000. Like, hey, you don't have 2,000. So he said, anything you can put down, so that they'll go and send a letter. They'll send someone to send a letter, and then they'll also send you a letter in your house. So you give them a location of Schwarzenegger's house, and then they send someone to send her a letter, as they do in every other court. When they went, she wasn't there. They called you. You gave me a different location, and then they went. She wasn't there. You gave a different location, mile 7, mile something. They did all the follow-ups. Later on, they got the house, but the security man wouldn't allow them to see Afia Schwar. So they had to leave the letter for the security man so it would be sent to her. Now, by her response, they realized that she had received the letter, because she said if Naayewe have any letter to her, it should be sent to her office or it should be given to her lawyer, which means she had a fair idea of what the letter is all about. Other guys are saying that Afia Schwar came to the Naayewe area to start sharing. That's another issue. You see, after all this, you came to the house. I think the first time they sent the letter, but Afia Schwar didn't come because she claims the letter she needs to be served by someone. Even the day they asked you to pay the half money, you paid all the money. She gave them all 2,000 so that they'll serve the letter on time and then do everything they have to do. So that whatever they have to do, say Afia Schwar, they do to her. So as you are saying, the Naayewe has never taken any money as in cash from you, but it's a system. There's a system that runs the traditional home. It's a system
That is what
traditional court.
I want us to be very clear on that system, because according to Mzbel, people had a lot of confidence in you and the Naayewe, and that she even cautioned that your outfit was a fraud, okay, or was a scam, and that. So I want us to be clear on that system, or what you call a system.
They asked you to pay the half money. You paid all the money. She gave them all 2,000 so that they'll serve the letter on time and then do everything they have to do. So that whatever they have to do, say Afia Schwar, they do to her. So as you are saying, the Naayewe has never taken any money as in cash from you, but it's a system. It's a system that runs the traditional home.
That is what I want us to be very clear on that system, because according to Mzbel, people had a lot of confidence in you and the Naayewe, and that she even cautioned that your outfit was a fraud, okay, or was a scam, and that. So I want us to be clear on that system, or what you call a system. So she came there and she was asked to pay 2,000 cedis. Is that right?
She was not charged to pay 2,000.
So you mentioned that the nature of her case.
Because of the nature of her case.
Right. So
because
please go ahead.
The nature of the case. I mean, they would have to go up and down. I mean, look at how they went all around looking for Schwar's legal. They didn't see her. So as you know, you are moving out to Uber, and now the taxi in Echo, and now the motor in Echo. Okay, what you are here.
Okay.
These things these errands were run by the young men in the palace. They have people in the palace that work. They are being fed by the people of the town. You see, I'm in the palace. You've heard a cock crow. I'm in the palace. People are these people. The Naayewe is the god of the sea. So how is he going to fraud you? Why do you think have you ever heard this thing anywhere before?
Okay, so Mzbel claims she requested for a refund and the money never came.
Said she should come for her money as soon as possible. Because listen, the elders have threatened to leave the case to the court.
So
when the man was speaking to me yesterday, he was sitting in front of the Naayewe at Salenko. Ask someone, and the man was speaking to me. You see, why do you have to bear with tradition? Now you are making them think otherwise. We've entertained these things for quite a long time, but don't play with the chieftaincy of these guys. You are here. You are not a guy. You see, you shouldn't be doing these things. Don't come close to the chair. Don't come close to do your media and all your stuff. Andy, I know you very well. I know Tigo. I know Tommy. I know Nana Kwame. But you've not seen me before. Mzbel, the issue happened. You show the guy to your house to come and send you the letter. If me or the Naayewe had a bad intention, he will not respond to you on radio.
But if you say she shouldn't get close to the chair, why didn't you advise her when she came earlier before paying the money?
Listen, you brought an issue to be solved. You said you want it to be resolved. The man explained to you that I am Bodia.
So Mzbel came to Bodia. She came to curse. Sadeng.
So did I need feminine? Oh, I see Schwarzenegger who feminine. So I can't say my enemy. It was a young Bosch was negadia. So, yes.
So Munkuno.
Yeah.
Whoa.
And she made the fact that they served the letter, she made a follow up. I learned the fact that she came with 6 elderly women to support her.
Okay.
And they called him as agent. So he came. When he came back, he said, okay, I can't handle these issues, or I'm going somewhere. So I will order for the sermons to be made. So it was a Naayewe himself who ordered for the sermons to be made. What's your problem? Patience now, Benya. What is Asem Kokot? They did to me 90 years. These people, why you bring issues with them and they say they'll solve it for you? You don't have to worry yourself. Why is he trying to put herself into the man said, You say you want your money. Go take your money. Now, make you look sharp and make you go take your money. You go see some meat they if you chew your own intestine because your intestine sharp you beneath. You can't eat from every table, no matter who you are. Some meats are not for children.
Okay,
the man
so
is angry. He sat down with his elders yesterday, left them, went to the gods. And that was why he said he wanted to see.